I can see you and hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Or
So, good afternoon, ma'am.
very good afternoon. Welcome to the session. How have you been today?
So, ma'am, we are meeting first time, the second time. Yes,
So we are meeting second time.
ma'am. Ma'am, everything is fine and everything going on usual day, nothing special. So, everything is fine, ma'am. And even today is raining here, and that's why the atmosphere is cold, and I enjoy it. Even I have a duty at 4 p.m. So, when I got this message, so I think that I have to grab this opportunity. Even we are meeting first time, but today we are meeting second time.
Yeah.
How is going on your everything? How have you been?
Yes, I am also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. I have been good and everything is going well.
Yes, ma'am. How is going on your learning English?
Yeah, nowadays we can say my learning is going on well.
Yeah, thank you.
Every day I do practice.
But I am not consistency right now. So my schedule is little bit difficult. That's why I can't connect it over the video call.
You are a working person, that's why. I am a homemaker. Every time I at my home, that's why whenever I get chance and free time, then I try to connect with someone. But your problem is another.
Yes.
Because you have a job. If you don't get time, you can't connect with someone.
So ma'am, today we are discussing
That's
about
why.
something different because ma'am we already connected before that time. So we are skip the introduce option part. So today we'll
Yeah.
directly enter the video. So ma'am, today my question is sometimes I learn advanced word but I can't
Advanced.
use those words during my conversation. Even sometimes when I try to explain something elaborately but I can't do. So sometimes I disappointed and I feel that I can't improve my speaking English. It is challenging for me. So what are you doing for using advanced word during the conversation? Even I watch your video, you sometimes use advanced word and you can explain elaborately, but I can't explain elaborately. So can you suggest me something?
But I didn't use advanced word in my conversation. Every time I use only simple word like a normal conversation. Because I am also beginner. When I read something and any vocabulary, then after writing in my notebook, we can say after that I try to, when I connect someone, I try to repeat that vocabulary.
So ma'am,
Doesn't matter sometimes because my pronunciation is not good.
so ma'am, yes,
I am not able to speak a lot of.
sometimes mother tongue influence came in our conversation. It is the one problem, but we can't remove at this time. It takes long time. So ma'am, what is your suggestion? Advanced word or simple word? Which is better for you? For the beginner person?
Yeah, in beginning time we should use only simple words. We shouldn't use advanced words because we are beginner. If our level is advanced, we can use every word, no problem. That's why every time I use only simple words. Because I am not able to speak a lot of big word, advanced word, because I don't know a lot of things about this language. That's why I am learning gradually, and I am like trying to speak, trying to repeat some vocabulary like that. I don't learn apart from like especially I am learning vocabulary. No, I am reading something. Then if I get some vocabulary, new vocabulary, then I write in my note on my notebook. After that, I try to speak that vocabulary.
Yes.
Like that things I do.
So ma'am, another question is, so when I try to asking questions someone, I face a lot of difficulties and I can't ask question to anyone properly. My question is not good. So what is your suggestion in this regard? So if you ask question someone, it is correct. You can ask properly or it is sometimes difficult. But sometimes when I ask question,
Yeah.
I face a lot of problem.
Yeah.
Not proper, but my opponent can't understand what I want to say. So what are you doing in this regard? So can you suggest me?
Yeah, okay. First of all, if you want to ask someone, anyone question, like if you have any question, then we want to ask someone. First of all, we know that question I also try to speak that question. I will try to learn this question. After that, I ask.
Yes.
Without learn anything, so I can't in front of us any one person. They also don't know that question. They also asked us, what is the question? Please, you give me answer. I don't know, but I don't know how can I explain.
Yes.
That's why first of all we should know that answer. After that we should.
So if I sitting somewhere, that time lot of question came in my mind. So I think that during the conversation I will ask those questions. But at this time I forget those questions. It is the one of my problem that is I face even it is stumble my conversation. So even sometime when I sitting alone somewhere and I can explain everything very easily. Okay, ma'am, I will join again. Can I disconnect the call? Ma'am, you are not audible to me. I can't hear your voice. Audible and visible. Sometimes it is happen here due to lack of network.
Okay, so now you can ask me.
When I speak with someone about the video call, so I mix everything, present, past, future. Do you face this problem?
Sorry, could you repeat again?
So, ma'am,
What are you asking?
yes, ma'am. When I speak with someone about the video call, so I mixed everything, present, past, future. Do you face this problem? You mixed everything. Do you face this problem? So even ma'am, when I conversation with someone, so I always try to speak with properly, but I mixed everything, present tense, past tense, future tense. So when I watch that video on YouTube, when you upload on YouTube, so then I think that why I can't remove this problem. I mixed everything, present, past, future. So during the conversation, my mind is blank. So at that moment I forget everything and I can't remember anything properly. So I want to speak with organically. So if anyone watch your video when you upload, then they can understand. Yes, you speak politely, even it is the correct. But if I use any simple word, don't matter. I am not using any kind of advanced word. But if I use simple word, even if I speak with perfectly, then it is okay. But sometimes I mix everything, present tense, past tense, future tense, but I can't remove this. So do you face this
Okay, I
problem?
will tell you one thing.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Yeah, I faced when I was in beginning. At that time, I didn't know how to use sentence, how to use modals verb.
Even I face this same problem. There is no network issue.
But you are not visible. Yeah, now. So, because now we don't have environment. We don't have any English partner. That's why I don't know how to use past tense, future tense. What happened?
Ma'am, I think network issue from your side. In my side is clear. 5G
Yeah.
is available. I think network issue from your side.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible and visible. Sometimes his video is stalking.
Yeah, sometimes also, you keep in our mind, he is not better than me, she is not better than me. Because first of all, we are afraid and fear. Who? He's very big YouTuber. That's why we forget everything while conversation.
Yeah.
I didn't do never ever in my conversation. Well, first of all, my husband already said to me, when you connect to someone, and my brother also told me, when you connect to someone, first of all, keep in your mind, you don't worry about that.
Ma'am, sometimes I disappointed when I watch English related video, especially on YouTube, and someone share their history, they learn English in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. So ma'am, I disappointed, I regret myself. So why I can't improve my
No.
English? So then I
Go ahead.
inspire myself. So I think that it takes long time for me. So if I have consistency, if I have passion, then I can improve. But sometimes it is regret for me. But at that moment I forget and I still keep in mind and I take a breath. Yeah, I have to do it anyhow. So don't regret to see other and I just try to always improve my speaking English and even I try to explain something. But at that moment sometimes I stalking and it is stumble my confidence. So currently I have no regret when I watch any video on YouTube when they share experience, they learn English in 6 months or 5 months, and I motive myself, so it takes time for me. If anyone improve in 6 months, I will be improved in 2 years. So is this my position? At this time I always try to keep myself and I try to improve myself, so I have no regret currently.
Yeah, but I can say your English so good. Why are you thinking about this? Why are you don't like worry about that? My English is not good. Your English good, but everything takes time. English is not a small language. It's a very big language. We can't learn this language 1 year, 2 years. Every language doesn't matter. This language. If you want to learn Hindi, you don't know Hindi. If you want to learn Hindi, you can't learn Hindi only within short time, within 6 months, 7 months, 1 year or even.
Yes, ma'am. It is. You are absolutely right. But, ma'am, sometimes we have a regret. So why I can't improve?
Yeah.
It is happening.
I will tell you first of all. Yeah, if you say any video, any podcast, any story, anything, at the time you shouldn't demotivate it.
Yes.
Because every time we should believe on ourselves. I can do it, whatever we want. Why not? It's not difficult. It's everything we can do. We are being a home. We are not animals. We are not bird. We are human beings. We can do everything.
Yeah. So it is, ma'am, natural things happen with us and we regret ourselves. But don't worry. So if you are consistency, then you can improve our communication skill.
Yes, yeah. Consistency and hard work is very important in our life. Every field doesn't matter. We are learning English. We are learning Hindi. That is right.
When you are practice regularly, then you will be mastered in this language.
Yeah. Yes.
Sometimes it is natural things of human being. So it is our regret. When I see someone, they speak naturally, fluently. So it is happen with us. So we need consistency. We need passion.
Yeah, really. I also watch the conversation video, podcast, stories also. But I never have got disappointed and unmotivated when I watch and video. Oh, she is very fluent in this language. She is very very good English teacher. Like that. Okay, no problem. I will reach all my goals. Definitely, I believe a lot on myself. But everything takes time. I know very well this thing. It takes very short time.
Yeah. So, ma'am, even we need some idiom and phrase, and which is very useful in our conversation. So, ma'am, have you been seen these things when you speak with someone naturally? There is no specific topic and usual. When you are speaking a language, usually you speak. Sometimes some idioms are very important during our conversation, and some phrase is very important. So when I watch English related video, especially currently I am not watch podcast video. Currently I watch any specific drama which is written in English, even which is delivered by English. And if you watch this kind of video, you can learn some phrases and idiom, and which is very important for our conversation. And you can use those idiom during your conversation. It is happen with us. But
really, if I talk about myself, when I talk about myself in front of mirror, at that time I remember everything.
Yes, it is.
How to use season verb, how to use idioms. When I correct someone, at that time I use only simple language.
Yes, ma'am, it is happening with me. When I sitting somewhere, I am thinking something, what happening around me. It is quiet, and my thinking is good, and I can express my thought. It is properly. But during the conversation, I can't use like my thinking. So when I think it was perfect, but when I connected with someone over the video call, it was, I feel distracted moment for me, and I mixed up everything in my mind. I can't deliver properly, but my thinking is good. Thinking alone, then yeah, it is. My thinking is good. I can speak English properly, but during the conversation, I can't train our mind. Even sometimes we forget everything, and when you deliver something in English, our mind and our mouth is not deliver at the same time. Our mind is thinking different.
Yeah.
Even we are speak is different. So if I remove those things. At first, we need practice. If I
Yeah, yeah.
deliver something in English, my mind and mouth is work at the same time. Then our conversation
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be polite and it is natural, but it takes long time.
Yeah, we can say we are not weak, we are unpracticed.
Yes.
Because practice makes everyone better. That's why we should practice. We should do practice. If you don't connect with someone every single day, you can forget everything very easily.
Yes, ma'am. Last 1 week I don't practice any kind of English. So when I try to connect with someone, I forget everything. So why it is happening with me? Why I can't remember? So if I
Yeah.
practice regularly, if I 1 week stop it, after that I forget everything. So at first we need consistency.
That is right. Yeah, consistency every single day we should practice even 10 minutes, 15 minutes only.
Yeah. 15 minutes it is better for us to recollect everything. So remember everything. So
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you want to remember everything what you are learning last 1 year, you can recall it everything. We need consistency, then we can recall it. Otherwise it is difficult for us. Even I can't train my mind during my conversation. So at first we need
Right,
train
sir,
our
right.
mind, even our mouth. If I deliver something in English, our mind is not work at the same time when I speak. So at first we need
Yeah.
some consistency. Even during the conversation, our mind is not stable. Even especially in front of the camera, I face this kind of thing.
Right, right.
It is stumble my conversation and it is my struggle. I face a lot. Even most of the time I face this kind of problem. But I try to remove those things to connect it with each other, even like over the video call.
But if I talk about myself, when I connect to someone, at the time, if you anything in my mind, I also delivered. So doesn't matter what things, but I delivered. Every time I try to explain a lot. Because without speaking, we can't speak in front of others. That's why speaking is a very important thing.
Even yesterday, I was connected one person over the video call. He was a good English speaker, but during the conversation, I mixed a lot of things, even the present tense, future tense, past tense, because his vocal is very good. Here, he speaks politely and naturally. It is the strong thing.
Who is
for
he?
So I mix everything, present tense, past tense, future tense, but I try to remove those things and during my conversation, and even I try to train my mind. When I deliver something, it will be correct, it will be proper, but something we are stumble for vocabulary. Our vocabulary is not as much as possible. We have to memorize some advanced, not advanced word. Most of the time we need some proper word. In front of
Proper
the
word,
camera,
right.
it will be proper and correct, but sometimes we face a lot of difficult due to lacks of environment.
Environment playing very big role in our life. Every time we use only our native language.
Even the native words, even the influence of mother tongue. Sometimes I try to speak something in English, my mother tongue influence came automatically. But I try to remove
Yeah.
my mother tongue influence, but it is takes time. And sometimes our pronunciation is not correct. I realize it.
Not correct. Yes. Yeah. I know very well that things my pronunciation is not good.
Yes.
Because I am not able to speak a lot of big sentence, big vocabulary. Right. That is right.
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right.
Every time I try to speak again and again in front of mirror. If I got on my notebook, then after that I repeat again and again in front of mirror, in front of my camera.
Yes, it is also, ma'am, when I speak in front of the mirror, I speak properly and my sound is so strong and I think that I improve my speaking English when I speak in front of the mirror. But during the conversation, even sometimes it is we feel nervous in front of the camera. Even the eye contact and body language is important sometimes because we are not speak English physically. It is our virtual conversation. That's why we have some fear. At first, we need remove our inertia. We have lot of inertia in our inner heart. At first, we have to remove those things. Then we can deliver our speak properly. Even our sound is not like a English speaker. our sound is like I am from Bengal, my sound is Bengali. It is happening with me, I realize it sometimes, and I need to work on these things to my English,
Change.
like
Yeah.
English speaker. So I try to improve those things, but it's
Change accent like English accent because we use only our mother tongue accent.
Yes, yes.
My mother tongue is Hindi, so we use only Hindi accent. We don't use. I don't use.
even so, ma'am, when you speak in English, your vocal quality will be little bit different from our native language. So I realize it, but I try to improve those things. But sometimes mother tongue influence came automatically. So we need passion, we need consistency.
So many people, so many people use like that because I also connected with Santudas sir. Do you know?
No, ma'am.
You don't know Santudas sir? He is from West Bengal, I think. West
Oh,
Bengal,
yes,
yeah.
yes, I connected
West
with
Bengal,
him.
yeah.
Yes, yes, Shantanu Das. I
Yeah.
connected with him.
He also used like you language when I correct like that, but I didn't use like speak like that.
It
Yeah.
happened with us. The mother tongue influence came automatically because, ma'am, since our childhood, we speak, we read. When we hear something that is only one language, that is our Bengali language. So that's why this influence we can't improve or at a short time. It takes long time. Since our childhood, we only use one language, that is Bengali, for reading, for speaking.
We are using this language we have been using since the childhood and yet also. So that's why every time we have it, you speak only our native mother tongue.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
it takes long time, and hope that if you are consistency, if I practice regularly, then you can improve it. So, ma'am, today we have to in this session because I have a duty at 4 p.m. So next day we will
Okay.
connect it again. But today
sure, you
we
can
can't
go.
continue our conversation due to lack of internet.
It's not a good conversation because sometimes there's network issue, I think. Definitely.
Ma'am, best of
Thank you
luck.
so much for connecting with me. I am very happy.
Best of luck.
Okay, same to you.
Have a nice day. Tata. Bye.
You too. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.